What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to TruBoost. It is a super cool day ahead because behind me is the S13, it is loaded up and we're going out with Shannon and Keenan from Kaleidoscope to the Rock Raceway to get some practice. So yeah, all loaded up, we've got some spare tires inside and super keen to actually get more seat time in this car because yeah, Redstone was really cool, but obviously with all the complications, being on the wet, sort of on a bigger track, I didn't really get to send it as hard as I wanted to actually get a feel of how the car handles. So that is the goal for today. So I hope that you guys enjoy, come along for the ride, it's going to be super cool. And thank you once again for joining me. We are so close to 1K. I know I've mentioned it so many times, but it's just really cool to have so many people along for the journey. But let me not drag on, I'll see you guys at the Rock.
When the front goes off, it will just go slow because it just touches the
Sweet! Safety first. Let's get warmed up.
Can the pump run on its own with the car off?
It should be able to, I think so. But I wouldn't know, because you can't even hear it. Can't hear it. Oh, this is hot. It's pressurized.
Sounds like it. It's too hot to even touch.
At least we know it's getting hot water.
I think it is. I think it is circulating.
It's just
feel it over there. Just don't burn. You can feel the vibration.
Yeah. So it is actually.
So yeah, I think it's just because it's so hot today. Could be a combination of things. Feel the airflow on the inside.
Yeah. It's really sucking.
Yeah. It's hot.
No, the top. That's the top. It's hot. Yeah. Keenan's back with the chow. Yeah. Yeah, but it felt sick. Yeah, it felt good. Haven't actually drifted the wall or that layout that I wanted to do, or that I did do out here. That was, I think, the last round of Drift Masters. They ran that layout, so I just thought, let me try and see how it felt in terms of the car's power, gearing, that type of thing. But I think This track is a third gear track for this car, at least with the ZF BMW box. So yeah, pretty cool. Gonna let the car cool down, we're gonna eat, and then yeah, see how it goes. Today is super hot though, it's like 32 degrees. Yeah, it's crazy, but yeah, that was super cool. Shannon?
Yes, it's my yellow chair. This chair I had since I was a small kid.
Really?
Yes. Since I was a lot, I was playing with Play-Doh on this chair.
And now you...
And now I'm eating lunch on this chair.
Eating lunch and playing with drift cars.
Playing with drift cars.
Nice. So this is gonna be a like outside zone barrier line. Yeah, I'll see if we can make it work. Keenan came up with the idea. What a legend.
Then you saw coming to hit the yellow bar line. Then I saw you get on the left foot brake and send it out again. I was like,
I'm trying to get that right, but I'll see. I'll do it again.
I think when you switched too deep, you needed to push it out more.
No, I think I'm giving it too much angle. I think I need to do shallow. No, let me try it. I'll get it right now. Okay, we're gonna get it right now. Sim drifting. Gonna kick in now, let's go. Okay, so like I said in the video before, that layout that I was running was one that I did see. So it's basically coming down here first, second, third into that sort of transition around the corner, coming around, transitioning, and then finishing around those barriers on the outside. So that was the first layout I was trying with the car. Something I do want to try, maybe because the Manji I wasn't getting to as much angle as I wanted to. So so what I want to maybe try and do, maybe at some point, is actually run in 4th gear and Manji in 4th, downshift to 3rd. That might be cool. But for now, I want to try a different layout that's going to challenge me in a kind of different way. So you see us laying out these cones now. So we're thinking of a layout that we did see at some point. Running from there, coming around, I'm going to Manji here, transition. This is going to be sort of like an inner zone. So the front of the car is going to be on there. Going to transition like this, and then sort of have the rear. I'm going to get a barrier to set up on the white line, and this will be like a rear clipping point for me to transition and sort of get the last arc into the end. So yeah, we're just playing around. So I'm going to get that and carry on. I'm going to start from here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be interesting now. So we've run through these tires, and we're using Raiden's rims. He's so kind, he lent us wheels with new tires, but the offset is different, so we'll see how it feels. Obviously gonna have a lot more grip, but yeah, interested to feel what a difference in offset does. It should make a difference though, like having a different offset.
Yeah, because the car's gonna be narrower
in the back.
Yeah. But not by much.
And it's very small, incremental, but okay, so the new tires are on with the different wheels. Car's personality has changed, but it's super cool. So the rears are now on 2.8 bar. We made them slightly too low, but it's fine. I'm gonna go out now and just test it out, feel the new grip levels and just how the car handles, and then I'm gonna try that same layout again. The oval guys have just arrived, so we're gonna play it by ear and see what's happening, but we're still here for more seat time. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the practice session, the first proper practice session with the S13. Such a good car, it's running good. Thank you to Shannon and Keenan from Kaleidoscope Customs for coming with me and just being here with me on the day. And thank you to all of you who have been following along the build. This is really exciting, and I think next year is going to shape up to be a really awesome year behind the wheel of this beast. So if you haven't, make sure to drop a like down below, drop a comment as well, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.